Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rain sensing wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.